Hi, this is Sharan Janginmat from Creative Education and Training. In this video, I am going to explain you website designing course. As you know, day by day, internet users are increasing rapidly. Still, many businessmen are not listed online. You can choose this course as a profession, and you can go and meet businessmen or a client to explain the importance of the website. Once they have convinced, and you can design their website. To become a professional website designer, what are the technologies you need to learn? In this video, I am going to explain you what are the technologies we need to learn to become a professional website designer. Okay, let me start this video. Okay, first of all, what is meant by website design? So it is a designing process to present the content of a particular business in the form of website. Website in the sense, it is a group of web pages accessed by the users, or you can say internet users, through internet by viewing in a web browser. So this is a designing process. Here you are going to design a complete website of a particular business or a firm or any organization to explain their contents of the services and the products in the form of web pages. Okay, to make a website, the basic technologies we need to have: HTML, CSS and the JS. HTML means hypertext markup language, CSS means cascading style sheets, JS means JavaScript. Okay, let me tell you what is the process of website design. So which kind of process we need to follow? The first step is all about planning. In first step, we'll be collecting the information from the client. That is what client requirement analysis and rough sketch on paper. The same thing we are going to sketch on a paper. That is what planning process. After planning process is completed, we can go for designing. Designing in the sense, create a web layout using Photoshop. Now second step, you need to design the complete website with the help of Photoshop software. Conversion means, third step is what conversion, converting layout in a web page using HTML, CSS, jQuery and JavaScript, etc. So we are actual website you are doing in the third step. And fourth step, the creating different web pages and providing the links. So in 4 steps, we need to provide a proper link from one page to another web page. That is called developing site. Once the website is completely designed or completely developed, now we need to test. The 5th step is testing various page elements in the different browsers for compatibility. Means we have to test each and every the website in different browsers. Apart from that, in different screen resolutions. In different screen resolutions means we have to check the website in the smartphone, tab and the laptop. With different screen resolution, we need to check whether it is responsive or not. Next, the final is what we have to register a domain and you have to host the website. So we'll be discussing these all steps systematically. If you want to become a professional website designer, you have to follow these steps to work on websites. Okay, let me go for first one, planning method. Planning means what? Project planning process. Planning, the client requirement analysis, rough sketch on paper. Means first set purpose or a goal. First you need to collect the information from the client. So what is the purpose and what is the goal of having a website? First collect the information, that is what set purpose and goal. Next ask a budget, then create a budget. Budget in the sense you have to ask the client, so what is the budget to have a website, then ask for budget. Next create a content strategy and ask the content and make content according to your site. Then think you can follow so many websites of relevant business and you can take the contents and you have to put contents in that website. And structure website on a paper. The same structure website, what exactly the client needs, the same thing you need to process on page. First of all, on a blank paper you need to follow, and that is what planning. In planning process, you have to write everything on a paper. What are the requirements of the users? Okay, the requirement of the client, that you have to write on the paper. That itself is called as project planning process. Once planning is completed, then you can go for design web layout. Here you can see the image. Here you have to use the software called Photoshop. The Photoshop means what? It is the image processing software. Here you are creating a complete layout for the websites. Once you create the complete layout of the websites, you can apply effects to that website or to that processed web layout. Then you can show the client, and this is how exactly your website is going to have. So once client is approved, once client is agree about your website or website layout, Then you can go for third step. And what will be the third step? That is conversion to HTML and CSS. After seeing the complete web layout, just follow the web layout, and same thing, what are the contents are there in the web layout, just put all contents with the help of HTML. As you know what is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language which helps displays the contents on a web page. So what are the contents are available in the website? That everything is what? HTML, that is hypertext markup language. Next we are going to apply some CSS to the HTML. What is CSS? Cascading style sheets. So applying styles to the displayed content. So already content is available, and to the existing content you have to you want to apply some effects, or if you want to apply some styles to the existing content. That is with the help of CSS you can do. CSS is very important, and you need to know CSS very well to become a professional website designer. Okay, so I can give you a simple explanation. HTML is considered as a skeleton of the body, and the complete body is considered to be what? CSS. Okay, so after conversion we need to go for developing the site, means responsive website design. We should think about responsive web designing. The responsive web designing means what? Responsive web design is a way to put together a website so that it automatically scale its contents and the elements to match the screen size on which it is viewed. See, already you have made a website. The same website you want to view on laptop, on tablet and smartphone. As you know, the screen size of tablet, smartphone and laptop get varies, and it has to fit according to that screen size. That itself is called as responsive design. If you want to design your website as a responsive, you should know one more course, that is what? Bootstrap. The response page with the help of Bootstrap, there you can see the images, the same websites we can see in the different screen resolutions. If you want to view the different same websites in different screen resolution with systematically, we need to work on Bootstrap. Okay, that will be discussing in the same course. Next is what? JavaScript and jQuery. Okay, let me tell you what is JavaScript and what is jQuery. JavaScript is a dynamic computer programming language. It is lightweight and most commonly used as a part of web pages. See, it is a lightweight programming language. First of all, it is a programming language. HTML is not a programming language. HTML is a markup language, and JavaScript is what? Programming language. So, and whose implementation allows client-side script to interact with the users and make dynamic pages. So usually JavaScript is used at the client side, not at the server side. It is called client-side scripting language. It is used for interaction with the user. So to make page dynamic, we can use JavaScript. And one more is jQuery. What is jQuery? jQuery is a rich JavaScript library. It is one of the library of JavaScript itself. Usually we can say for jQuery, write less, do more. Usually code is very less, but it do more as consider JavaScript. Okay, that also will be discussing in the same course, that is website designing course. Next is what? Domain and hosting. Once you create a complete website with the responsive, now thing is that you have to register a domain for it and you have to host the website. What is domain and the hosting? Domain is the name for the website, and you can also consider address of the website. First we should have address or you can say name. Then what is hosting? Hosting is a space for the website. Hosting is a space of the website. Without domain we cannot host. Without hosting we cannot upload the website. Hosting is a space where you are going to upload the website, and domain is the address where exactly you are going to upload your complete website. Okay, domain is a name registration. Usually you have .com, .edu, .org, .net. These kind of different domains are there. .org, you can purchase any one among that, and apart from that you have to choose domain name as a unique name. Web hosting means you are purchasing server side some space, and space is all about to upload your website. There you have to choose space and the bandwidth. The space is for allotting the websites in the server, and bandwidth to distribute your website in the in the internet. Means many people are accessing your website at a time. It should not get busy. If your website should not get busy, then you should go for bandwidth. The bandwidth is very important whenever you choose hosting. So whenever you choose website hosting, choose proper bandwidth and choose space for the website. This is all about what? Domain and the hosting. At the same time, I'll be telling you about cPanel, control panel, how to use cPanel completely, how to host your domain, and the how to host your website with purchasing a registered domain. How exactly how to purchase a domain, that I am going to explain you. So overall, this is the course. The course is called what? Diploma in Website Design. In this course, I am going to explain you the introduction to web technologies, Adobe Photoshop, HTML 4.01, CSS2, that is client cascading style sheet, HTML5 hypertext markup language, CSS3 cascading style sheet 3 latest version, responsive website design and Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery and jQuery UI user interface, web hosting and live website design project. At the end of course, I am going to show you the complete website, exactly how to make complete website, and at the end of website, and I'm going to host that same website in the domain name in the particular server, and I will show you with the help of cPanel, and I will show you complete information related to cPanel also. If you want to choose this course, and this is a demo video for diploma in website design. If you want to choose this course, it is paid course. If you want to know the more information about this course, and you can read the description. In the description I have given a WhatsApp link, and you can click on WhatsApp link, and you can message me if you want to learn this course, website design. Just message me website design in English. You will be getting the complete English videos. It is paid course. Once you message me, I'll be telling the complete information about website design syllabus as well fee structure. Okay, so it is online video course, and even offline course is available. You have to visit our office, and even you can learn with the online itself. Okay, if you want to learn online, you have to write website design in English and message me. If you want to learn the same course in Hindi, just write website design in Hindi. If you want to learn the same course in Kannada, just write website design in Kannada. Means I'm going to make the complete website design course in 3 different languages: English, Kannada and Hindi. Okay, if you think this video is very helpful, please like this video and share this video with your friends, and please subscribe our channel still who are not subscribed my channel. Thank you for this video.